number 5 versus number 66. Tip-off, nakuha lang touch. Number 9, pass to number 66. Number 66, dribbling the ball sa Magasa. Spin move, out of move, no good. Rebound by outside, safe ball. Good speed. Number 9, pass to number 88. Open, Sumagasa, umikot din. Back to number 9, pass number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 8, foul. Push forward. Pass by number 66. First person
paano ko ito na lang?
Paano
ko ito na lang?
Paano
ko ito na lang? Akin na yan. Ako na pahala. Ikaw na.
First shot. Basket.
Oh.
Second shot. Same result. Number 7, pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9.
MVP.
Nasubutan ni Alan. Nakuha ni number. Nakuha ni number 21. Drive in. Nagmamadali number 21. Good pa rin. Sumagasa. Drop pass to number 10. Number 10. Step back. Kapitawad. Pass to Alan. Alan open. Ball back. Pull up 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 5. Nasubutan na. Nakuha ni number 77. Number 77. Binato sa kalaban. Number 19. Pass to number 21. Relax lang daw. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Wide open. Pull up. Basket by number 10. Easy basket. Number 10, taking the ball. Number 10, nakatrap yung purple. Ay, nakagawan, hindi nakakuha niya pa rin. Number 10, crossover pass to number 77. Number 77, Sumagasa. Tumira. Wala, rebound pa rin. Pumeke, tumira. Basket by number 77. What a shot. Top shot, Alan. Pull up, basket. Score check, 8-2 in favor of us. Number 88. Lawa.
Hindi, minsan lang pag trip ko lang. May Chinese food ba? Wala ka lighter.
Number 7 is number 9.
Kahawak muna to.
Ball fake. Steps away, pass to number 66. Number 66, nag-aalam ng papasahan, tumira ng boarding, wala rebound by Harry. Pass to BJ. BJ nagmamadali. BJ pass break, BJ Sumagasa, drop pass to number 16, hindi lang nakuha. Black ball. Hintay ko pumasok yung idol ko. Idol. Number 77, drives in, bump, spin, ball back, bumanggalit, tumira, huli ka kay number 5.
Masipag talaga to si Chad.
Defense by number 5, Pangilinan.
Lakas din ng katawan niyang pamangga.
Oo.
Number 9, pass to number 8. Number 18, tumira, basket by number 20 pala.
Oy, pinainom nyo ba lang kung ano yan?
88 pala, 88. Ang hirap naman ba yan?
Dapat yung kondisyon niya katulad ng kondisyon na nakaraan.
Hindi nakuha. Nabitawan. Nakuha ni number 5. Pangilinan. Hezi drop pass to number 10. What a pass by Pangilinan. Good move. Number 88. Number 88. Pass to number. Hindi pala. Tumira ng 3 points. Wala. Rebound ba? Alan at taas ang tinalon. BJ pass to Pangilinan. Pangilinan. Speed move. Reverse. Wala. Rebound by. Number 66. Pass to number 88. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Tapos sa Maslo. Tumira din ng 3. Short. Rebound by. BJ. BJ nagmamadali. Ito si BJ. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Back to BJ. BJ nasa tuba ni number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 88. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 77. Basket by number 77. Next number.
Hey! Hawak mo nga muna. Nakita kita eh.
number 88, pass to number 66, crossover. Ay, ang ganda sana ng crossover. Outside. BMW ball. Number 5, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 19. Number 19, pass to Cap. Kailangan number 19 tumira ng 3 points by number 19. Number 88 tumira ng 3, answers back. Bola, number 11. Pass to number 19. Pass to Hector, number 5. Nakabawa na ako na yan. Nakabawa, pare-parang na kayo. Number 9. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Line ball. Time out there. Time out BMW. Uy, bumalik na yung idol ko. BJ, Gummy Bear. Juicy Licious, Gummy Bear. Number 21, pass to number 8. Number 8 to Milan Andres. Malakas, rebound by number. Outside, di mala, nakuha ni number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Pagkakas na bilawan. Purple ball. Number 6. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Drives in. Trap pass to number 6. Number 6 to Milan Andres. Wala, rebound by Gialis. Number 14, pass to number 6. Back to number 21. Point guard. Gummy Bear, drives in. Crossover, pass kay Gialis. Gialis drives in. Nakasundutan, nakakuha ni number 6. Number 6, naghahanap ng pamasahan. Inagawa ng lolo ng pero traveling. Traveling violation, black ball. Number 10, pass to number 2. Number 2. Number 2 na dribble. Pass to number 50. 13 pala. Pass to number 96. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Tumira wala lang. Rebound by number 13. Wala. Puta na pero foul. Who's foul? Foul on number 14. Kuya Aris. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for number 13. First pala. First shot. Wala. Second shot, wala. Rebound by number 5. Hindi niya nakuha. Nakakuha na number 36. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Sumagalasak, tumira. Pass it by number 13. Ayaw ng free throw. Gusto manira. Number 21. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Speed move. Number 3 pala. Pass to number 14. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Number 5. Nagkakalap ng bababahan na ako ng pera. Foul on number 6. Number 6 first personal foul. Second team foul. First team foul pala pala. First team foul. Pwede? Nabitawag pero meron? Foul. Who's foul? Foul on number 3. Number 3. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 2, pass to number 10. Number 10. Number 10, crossover. Crossover, pass to number 2. Number 2 for 3. Wala, rebound by Gialis, number 14. Number 14, pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 21. Number 21, crossover, layup ng kaliwa. Wala, rebound by number 6. Ang lakas mo, batang bata. Number 6 for the 2 points. Batang bata. Number 10, pass to number 2. Number 2, crossover. Drive in. Drop pass to number 5. Nakakuha ba? Hindi. Outside. BMW ball. Turnover. Number 21. Easy lock down. Number 21, pass to Yaris. Si Tutoy Foul on number 30, number 30, second personal foul. Second team foul. First personal foul para po. Purple ball. Bulan, pass to BJ, tumira ng 3, wala, rebound by, Endor, number 5. Number 5, drives in. Parang ganda naman ang pasa na yun. Bulan, kulang James, sayang ang assist. Endor po ng bulan. Endor, pass to Bulan, tumira ulit ng 3, wala pa rin. Crossover, second quarter. Kaya crossover. Number 13. Pass to number 77. Shot. Number 77 tumira ng 3. Parang sila nangyala. Outside. Purple ball. Number 5. Pass to number 20. Number 21. PJ taking the play. PJ pass to Bulan tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin, rebound by Edlor, tumira, basket by Edlor. Number 5, pullback. Number 13. Pass to number 36, Jens. Drop pass to number 13, mataas lang. Purple ball, substitution. Ball in. 11, pass to number 21. Mag-press pa rin yung dalawa din. 21, pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 19. Back to number 21. Number 21. Pass to Alan. Alan, wide open. Hindi nakaka-play yan. Ay, naunahan ko. Sorry. Number 77. Sumagasa. Drop pass to number 10. Tumira. Basket by number 10. Ganda ng pasa na number 77. Number 21, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 90. Number 90, back to Alan. Tumira ulit ang 3. Wala ka talaga. Rebound by Harry. Tumira. Wala ka nagtag. Kailangan mo. Number 5, gagawin kay Alan. Kuya Alan. Tumira. Wow. Wow by number 66. Second personal foul, second team foul, 2 shots. Sub. Sige, pasok po. 2 shots for Kuya Alan. First shot, basket, nahulog din. Hindi sapatos pala. Second shot, sublime. Nakuhanin. Black ball tayo, black ball. Black ball. Number 0. Pass number 77. Number 77. Number 77 pa rin. Bumabangga. Nabitawan. Bola na. Same ball lang daw. Same ball. 77. Pass to number 0. Number 0, pass to number 66. Number 66, tumira. Nakakuha rin yung Alan. Pass to Kuya BJ. Pabilisan ng takbo. Batang-bata. Gummy Bear. Layup. Good. Number 22, pass to number 0. Pass to number 77. Number 77. Pass to number 66. Lumeme. Nabitawa. Wala. Rebound by Ahmed. Pass to BJ. Nabitawa. Pero meron foul. Foul by number 30. Number 30. Second personal foul. 30 foul. 20 seconds remaining for the second quarter. BJ. Pass to number 19. Back to BJ. 10 seconds. Nakakagawan pala ito. Nakakagawa ni number 13. 2 seconds. And on the first shot, the score check 25-13 in favor of BMW. Sa ating pag... 21, pass to number 6. Ang aking idolo. Pass to number 10. Pass to my Rix. Wide open 3. Wala. Right pass to number 66. Number 66. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 88. Number 88. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Perfect driving. Pass to number 77. Huli ka kay number 6. Foul. Foul by number 6. Number 6. Second personal foul. Wow. Personal foul. 2 shots for number 77. Shot.
Magandang laban. Ang baka kami.
First shot, basket.
Kanina sapatos sa mic.
Second shot.
Ay, nagkagulo kami sa mesa.
Basket ulit.
Sa mesa. Isang oras.
Number 21, Juicy Licious Gummy Bear. Number 21 pass to number 5, number 5. Number 5 pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8 yung double number 8. Tumira. Tumira pala. Number 8 pass to number 5, number 5. Kaya pass to number 10. Ang dyan ba talaga ng pass to number 8? Grabe naman yun. Number 77. Basket, 3 points by number 10. Babasa siya, pangkalamangan. Juicy Licious Gummy Bear, pass to Edlo. Sidestep, layup is no good, rebound by Harry. Speed move, ball fake. Ruled up and meron foul. 2 shots by number 10. First foul for number 77, first team foul. First shot, basket. Yung pangalawa, di pa tumitira. Gusto mo na? Ay, balik niya yan eh. Ano na? 77. Number 77 pass to number 10. Number 10 dribbling the ball. Number 10 pass to number 77. Pumege. Pumagasa. Heavy. Step up. Pull up. No good. Rebound by. Outside. Save ball. Save ball. Number 66. Pumege. Nabitawan. Nakuha na. Nakuha ni Edlor. Edlor pass to number 6. Ang bilis bangko. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 88. Number 88. Nasugutan sa likod. Nakuha ni number 66. Number 66 sumagasa. Pusa na kay Edlor. Grabe si Edlor.
Silang 5 na. Sige.
Number 9. Nakuha na ni BJ. Kaya BJ pass to number 6.
Kasi may mga picture eh.
Kuha ni number 10. Pass to number 6. Pull up. Easy basket.
May mga picture dito eh, sa loob.
6.
Sige, ako na lang. Oh. Oh, tayo pa rin
Next
lang.
up, papasok yung pogi kong idol. Number 9.
Thank you, Mark.
77. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 10.
Alas dos tayo.
Number 10. Hindi ko makita. Makaharap mo ano. Pass to number 77.
Lata mo nga kanina, nauna yata natin naman eh.
Number 10. Ball fake. Tumira na 3. Wala. Rebound by number 88. Number 8. Tumira na 3. 3 points by number 8.
Thank you, Mark.
Pangalawang 3 points niya na yun. Babaan naman sa 10 ang kalamangan. Next up, Brent. Stop. First personal foul, second team foul, 2 shots for Edlon, number 5. Next up, ref, pag pumasok yung pangalawa. First shot, wala. Next up, ref. Second shot, wala pa rin, rebound by Kuya Chris. Buha pa rin kay Edlon. Drop pass to Kuya Chris, kumeke, binalik kay Edlon. 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Masyado kayong mapagbigay. Number 10, releasing the ball, pass to number 88, number 88, ball fake. So, tragic, pass to number 30, number 30. Number 30, pass to number 88, number 88. Pass to number 77, wide open 3. Wala, rebound by Kuya Chris. Kuya Chris, pass to number 19. Number 19, please. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. For our third quarter, Kuya Chris, wide open 3. Wala, rebound by Chan. Chan, pass number 21. Pass to number 8. Number 8, 3, pull up J. Gold, rebound by number 13. Bola. Number 13, pass to number 10, number 10. Number 10, sumagasa, floater. Basket to number 10. Walang win.
Grabe yun.
Grabe ba?
Tamad ba yun? Tamad? Tamad yun.
Number 21, pass to number 19. Number 19, crossover. Number 19, next up, pull up, no good, rebound by number 5. Number 5, pass to number 10, number 10. Number 10, number 10, step back, crossover. Pass to number 13, number 13, pull up J. Easy basket by number 13. Baba sa ating kalamangan, last 2 minutes sa ating third quarter. Kuya Chris. Kuya Chris, nakasimutan na wala number 5, pass to number 8. Number 88. Lumaya, huli ka kay Gabby Bear. Simple na rep lang. Stop rep.
Doon na nga eh. Doon na nga umahangal tayo.
Chap and Chan. Number 13, pass to Nagana sa papasahan. Wala papasahan. Sumagasa na lang. Floater. Wala. Rebound by Chan. Number 30 lang. Akawang Chan. Number 19. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to Chan. Layup. Floater. Rebound by number 3. Pull up. 13. Pass to number 8. Number 88. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Dribbling the ball. Number 10 pa rin. Number 10. Number 10. Pumeke. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by. Kuya Chris. Pass to number 6. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 88. Pass to number 77. Number 77. Sumagasa. Floater. So good. Rebound by number 19. Number 19. Number 19. Walang kabataan. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Pass to number 10. Number 10, dribbling the ball, number 10, wide open 3, no good, rebound by number 19. Number 19, not the back, purple ball. 40 seconds. No sub the ref, no sub ref. No. Number 10, no the ref. 30 seconds. Get up, guy. Score check 34-26 in favor of BMW Prestige. Two timeouts, huh? Two timeouts. Number 2. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9 drives in. Pass to number 66. Number 66. 15 to shoot. Number 66. Pass to number 2. Number 2. 10 to shoot. Number 2. Floater. Bordering. No good. Rebound by. Number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Alan. Bulan nagmamadali. Bulan. Pass to JP. 15 to shoot. Harry. Speedful. Layup is no good. Rebound by number 66. Number 66 pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9 nagmamadali. Number 9 dumiretso na. Side step pass to number 2. Easy basket. No good. Rebound by Harry. Harry pass to Bulan. Bulan nagmamadali. Pass to BJ. Ay! Bato pinasa. Number 9 pass to number 10. Number 10 dribbling the ball. Number 10. 16 to shoot. Pass to number 9. Number 9 huli ka. Pakuha ni number 36. 10 to shoot. Galit. Tumira. Meron. Foul. Who's foul ref? Dalawa kayo. Sige. Foul by number 10. Number 10. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for number 36. First shot? No good. Second shot, basket. 7-point lead for BMW. Edlon tumira, pero foul. Foul by number 66. Number 66, third personal foul. First team foul, 2 shots for number 5. First shot. Wala talagang free throw ng high school. Second shot. Wala pa rin talaga. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 2. Number 2 nagpapalala. Pass to number 66. Number 66. Spin move na wala. Pero meron. Wala. Pass to number 36. Number 36. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Ball fake. 10 to shoot. Number 2. Back to number 6. Hook shot. No good. Rebound pa rin number 66. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by. Bulan. Who's foul ref? Foul by number 66. Number 66. Wide for Brett Victor. Stop. Bago po. 21. Pass to number 19. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Number 19. Pass to number 21. Pass to number Bulan. Number 11. Number 11. Back to number 21. Wanting to shoot. Edlon. Back to Bulan. 10 to shoot. Bulan for 3. No good. 3-1 by number 77. Number 77. Dribbling the ball. Number 77. Drives in. Nakasundutan. Nakakuha ni number 36. Tumira. No good. Pero meron number 2 for Norita. Number 2. Pass to number 77. Pull up J. Basket by number 77. 5 na lang. BJ. 21. Next number 21. Pass to number 19. Number 19 for 3. 3 points by number 19.
Saan mo address?
Wala na naman ang kalamangan. Number 10, pass to number 77. Number 77, dribbling the ball. Number 10 to shoot. Number 77. 5 to shoot. Number 9, pass to number 2. 3, 2. Nakagawan. Number 1, nakakuha ni BJ. Pass to Harry. Number 10. Number 10, pass to number 5. Easy basket by number 5. Timeout. Crossover. Score check. Nanonood nga kasi ako. Number 10, pass to number 77. Number 77. Pass to number 88. Number 88, 15 to shoot. Number 88, Danji. Pass to number 77 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Hindi pala, nakuha ni number 88. Number 88, ball back. Pass to number 10. Number 10, tumira din ang 3. Sweet goals by number 10. Sabi yung buhay na. Number 19. Edgar. 10 to shoot. Edgar na sa bitan. Wala. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Siya ay yung number 10. Number 10. Number 10 pa rin. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 36. Number 36, tumira. Wala. Rebound by. Rebound by number 5. Number 21 for Mo. Foul. Foul by number 10. Foul on number 10. Number 10. First personal foul. 13 foul. Wala. 3 minutes. Bulan bilang tumira. Purple ball. Time out. Number 5. Pass to Bulan.
Screen.
Bulan dahil naman. Foul on number 77. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Bulan, ISO. Bulan, drives in. 5 to shoot. Layup, palibalitan, boom. Wala, rebound by number 77. Pass to number 10. Number 10, foul na rin. 2-on-1. Ball back, drop pass to number 88. Hindi lang nakuha ng Miles, pero nakuha pa rin number 88. Number 88, Pinumilo. Pass to number 66. Number 66, 10 to shoot. Pass to number 8. Number 88, wide open 3. Wala, rebound pa rin niya. Nakuha ni number 10. Number 10, ball back. Pull up J. No good rebound by number 10. Number 10, pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to Bulan. Bulan, easy basket by Bulan. 9 points. Number 5, pass to number 66. Number 66, boarding, basket. Bulan, pass to Edlor, easy basket na naman by Edlor. 66, pass to number 77. Number 77. Number 77, biglang tumira ng 3. 3 goals by number 77. 1 minute and 28 seconds. Let's go. Foul, penalty. Second personal foul, penalty. Sub-ref, pasok po. First shot, basket, nakaisa rin pagkatapos ng 7 tira. Ay, sorry. Second shot, basket, ay, pinahiya ako naman. So, pang-social pa lang. Number 88, number 88 pa rin. Number 88, drive in, pass to number 66, number 66. Pass to number 10, ball break, drive deep. Number 10, step back, three points! Di malalang ang kalamangan. Nakuha pa ng number 77. Number 77. Tumira. Wala, rebound by number 5, foul. Foul by number 5. Number 5, second personal foul. Baseline. Sayang pang 6 points na sana nila. Baseline lang ref, baseline. Number 13. Nag-aaral na papasahan. Pass to number 66. Number 66. Lord. Pass to number 19. Number 19, foul. By number 13. Number 13, second personal foul, penalty. Third personal pala, sorry. Third personal foul, penalty, 2 shots for number 19. Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan. Meron pa isa. May isa pa. Sige, isang timeout na lang po. Apo. First shot, wala. No timeout, no timeout. Number 19, second shot, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 19 pa rin. Number 19, foul. Foul by number 88. Penalty. First shot, basket. Basket, di mana naman, number 88. Pass to number 66. Pass to number 77, wide over 3. Dalawa na lang. Foul. Dalawa na lang. Number 13, fourth personal foul. Penalty. Grabe naman yung mga kamay ni ayaw mo. Ha? Grabe naman sa technique. First shot, basket. Nice one, bulan. Okay ba? Pag-shoot timeout. Pag-shoot timeout. Second shot. Basket ulit, Bayaran. Timeout! Crossover! Score check, 49-45. 14 lang daw, 14. 14 lang daw. 14 lang. Number 77, pass to number 10. Number 10? Number 10 pa rin, pass to number 30. Number 30, pass to number 88. Number 88, Bumeke, sumagasa. Hard to shoot. Number 66, pull up, rebound by number 30. Play off. Edron, pass number 10. Number 10, pass to Alan. Alan, foul. Foul by number 88. Second personal foul, penalty. Number 11, first shot, basket. Di na nanablay si Alan. is no good. Rebound, good one. Kamayan tayo, kamayan. Good game, nice game, beautiful game.
Maraming salamat for the good game, crossover and BMW.